Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today topic I will show you how to go live with screen share in your YouTube. So for the live, you should be go on the top head and click on create and go for the live, and after that it will open the next page. Now you can see the webcam options and stream and manage. So we can continue, click on webcam and click on title, whatever titles you need to put on here. Like I will put on the how to how to go live on YouTube with screen share. Okay, so this is the title. You can whatever you can put according your live streaming. And same here I will put the again and click on category. Like you have a blogger, then you can choose the blogger, otherwise you can choose the similar requirement. If you education related to your stream, then you can select the education. I will select the technology and science because my streaming is related to science and technology. And you need to also paste here the thumbnail, so I will upload the thumbnail also. So I can select the any images, like I have already selected this thumbnail. After that we can select, if your folder, like you have to change save the favorite folder, then I can done and click on the audience, like your content and live streaming below 18, then you can select it's made for kids, otherwise you can select no, it's not made for kids. Now need to click on next. After that you can, if you want to live slow motions, then you can click the slow, otherwise you can click on next. For the, if you want to private live streaming, then you can click on private, otherwise you can click on public for the public viewers. And after that you can click on done. And for the next step we will see in the next page. So now you can see the live is ready. So for the live you can go the go live. After your streaming will be live, it will be wait because our internet is not working. So now some main concern, how to share your screen on live. So you can click on screen share, and if you want to share your screen, then you can click on share screens and share the screen sharing. After that you can check, you can share anything your screen is there with live streaming without camera. So thank you for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe and support us our technical channels. Thank you so much. I will see in the next video.